Fresh, colorful, and packed with goodness, these cauliflower teriyaki bowls prove that eating healthy can be incredibly satisfying. Cauliflower is naturally rich in fiber, vitamin C, and antioxidants, making it a great choice for supporting your immune system and keeping you feeling full for longer. It also soaks up flavor beautifully, which is exactly why it pairs so well with teriyaki sauce. The sweet and savory balance of teriyaki complements cauliflower's mild, slightly nutty taste, creating a combination that's bold, comforting, and delicious without overpowering the fresh ingredients. Add vibrant vegetables and wholesome grains, and you've got a bowl that's full of nutrients, texture, and flavor in every bite. It's a simple way to enjoy more plant-based goodness while still getting that satisfying, crave-worthy taste. Follow Country Life Foods for more healthy recipes.